Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got 4 little boxes we're going to open today, and they're supposed to be, I think, some candy items. I plan on giving you a special offer, so make sure you stay tuned so you know the special deal that you'll be able to get on each and every item that we're going to unbox. So this is all brand new stuff, and so you'll get the deal on all of these things. So let's go ahead and open all 4 of these boxes.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so why do I buy these types of things? These are candy items in these boxes, and just think like when you're in the store, impulse aisle, okay? So you go up and you're like, oh, I need that bag of Doritos, so I'm going to buy the bag of Doritos. Next time they go to the store, they're going to buy another bag of Doritos because they've consumed it. So I call these my replenishables. Now, if I, for example, someone wants to buy this Lego set, the fire Lego set, where you can make all sorts of different fire engines and stuff like that. We've got police and army, but if someone buys one of these, they don't need another one, so they're not going to buy it again. But with candy and consumables, even lotions and things like that, they're going to rebuy it. So that's partly why I do this. Now, we're going to do $1 off on each one of our candy items, and all of these brand new ones are included in that. It will be an automatic discount, so you don't have to put in any kind of promo code or anything. Just like our popcorn sales are for this whole month of September, we're doing that also with our candy club. So let's see what fun new flavors we have. This has 1 random box in it. It had an ice pack and a box. So these ice packs are nice. I like to reuse them. So what flavor did we get? Let's check it out. I love these. Are perfect little, these are the unicorn gummies. These have been pretty hot sellers for us. So they say they're unicorn gummies. Here, I'm going to set it up here. All right, unicorn gummies, light and airy gummies in a mystically delicious array of fruity flavors. So these are very fruit flavored, has all of the calorie content and ingredients and everything on the back. So really nicely sealed, good idea for a gift for anybody. So we've got unicorn gummies. I'm just going to stack them all out front, all the different kinds we have. Let's do this one. So impulse item buys is really good too. Also, just as a reminder, these are perfect things to throw in your cart if you're like, oh, I'm really, really close to that $100 limit and I want to get the free shipping on hookedonpickin.com. So you can go ahead and just toss in a candy gummy and you'll have a great deal because you're going to get $1 off and you'll be able to hit over that $100 product. These are lemonade straws. So the lemonade straws say, toothsome sour laces filled with mouth-puckering pink lemonade delight. So there's the pink lemonade straws. Now see, this box had much more. That one box had 1. And these have more in them. Okay, this one. Here, let's do that. So these are called banana berry sour belts. Brightly shaped strawberry banana belts doused in eye-squinching sour sugar. So another sour candy. We got 3 different kinds so far that you can get $1 off. And when looking for them on hookedonpickin.com, you just simply type in Candy Club, and you'll find all the different flavors we have. We have tons of different flavors.
They're under the toy collection also.
Yeah, they're under toys. I need to create a food collection. We will eventually. This is jelly sea turtles. This one says sweet gummy sea turtles filled with strawberry and jelly surprise. So these actually have a fun jelly center to them. And we have, this one is pink piglets. Oh, everybody likes piggies. Go ham on these sweet and sour raspberry flavored gummy piggies.
Cool. A lot of these were out. We didn't have.
Yeah, we were totally sold out of a lot of these flavors, so I'm really glad to get a lot of them back in stock. So Also, if you guys have been wondering about fire sales on our channel, we have been doing fire sales on Thursdays at noon Central Standard Time. So stay tuned. I always link the video link about 15 minutes prior to the sale at noon Central Standard Time on the Facebook page, the Hooked on Pickin Facebook page. So we got 2 boxes in here. So let's see what these are. This one is strawberry laces. So this one is swirly red laces bursting with bright strawberry flavor. So they're really big jars, you know, fairly big jars of the strawberry laces. And then we have one more in this box. So here's my question to you guys. Blue raspberry sour belts. What is your favorite flavor? If you've tried the Candy Club, please let us know what your favorite flavor is. We were sold out of quite a few for a long time, and now they just got back in stock. So these are blue raspberry ribbons showered in mouth-watering sour sugar crystals. The blue raspberry belts. Aren't those cool? They just look, the presentation of them are so cute. All right, so we want to know what's your favorite kind. I like the pineapple rings, but I like pineapple. I even like pineapple on my pizza. I know some people think that's wrong, but I do like pineapple on my pizza. One of those crazies. All right. We got cold packs in this one again. I don't know why they freeze some and don't some, but we're at a good temperature time of the year that it doesn't matter if they're frozen or not because they're going to ship fine. They don't melt. Yeah. All right, this one is, the taffy.
That's good stuff.
This is cotton candy taffy, soft, tender, saltwater taffy infused with sweet and toasty cotton candy flavor. So these are cool. Yeah, so you get lots of taffy in that one. So we have got, let me see, we've got, I think, 9 different flavors so far that we're adding back to the store for $1 off each. So we wanted to do some of these specials before Christmas time just because we know how expensive Christmas can get after a while. And if we did the specials early enough, we won't have to deal with shipping issues of stuff not getting there on time. So, this one is really fun. So this one is called Big Bananas, a gummy marshmallow hybrid of banana flavored delight. Bunches of fun. All right, looks like 2 more boxes and 2 more flavors. So you can go straight to Hooked on Pickin right now and get this $1 off discount. I'm not sure how long. I might just run this $1 off discount. What do you think? Till Christmas?
At least for the month of September.
Yeah, we'll run it. Oh, these are my girls' favorites.
Yeah,
these are called Cupcake Bites. Vanilla cake batter morsels dotted with sweet rainbow sprinkles. Look at those. You want to eat them, don't you? Cupcake Bites. They taste exactly like cupcakes, too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, one more box. One more box. What is the last and special box that we have? Drum roll, please. Ooh, another taffy. A watermelon taffy. This one is soft and chewy saltwater taffy infused with bold, juicy watermelon flavor. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 new flavors back on the store. We already still have quite a few flavors like grape laces and pineapple rings. And I think we've got some bubblegum bottles and things like that that are all still phenomenal. And we just recently ordered those. So check those out. They're going to be $1 off on hookedonpickin.com and just type in Candy Club, or they are in the toy category as well. And so you can find them all, but they're all the same size jars. So a really nice kind of variety of different things. And you'll be able to find them there. So I think they were $5.99. Now they're $1 off. So go check them out. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you know every time a video comes out. Make sure you don't forget that we have $2 off all of our popcorn sales this month of September. So make sure you snatch them up and snatch them up quick. We are selling out of some of the favorite flavors pretty quickly. So make sure you quickly run over there to Bell's Gourmet Popcorn on hookedonpickin.com to be able to get what you want. Also, make sure that you also check out all of the other items we have on the store. It's not just food. We've got toys, we've got home decor, everything that you should need for your house, and lots of fun things. So thanks so much for watching.